It is impossible to imagine work at any medical institution without products made at this particular plant, whether it is a dental office or a large multidisciplinary hospital. The portfolio of our plant contains directions for all disinfectants. The range consists of disinfectants from chlorine tablets to skin antiseptics. We have more than 40 registered disinfectants. The main consumers are medical facilities, the food industry and public institutions. Our products are more geared towards them. They are our main consumers. Factory of disinfectant and antiseptic products appeared in 2010 on the Kazakhstani market and quickly enough found its niche among competitors. In 2011, we were the winners in the category Best Factory Manufacturer of Disinfectants. In 2012, we were participants in the program of Forced Industrial Innovative Development of the Republic of Kazakhstan, with the program Comprehensive Modernization of Existing Production of Disinfectants. Purchase of equipment for blowing their own packaging and the acquisition of machinery for molding caps not only reduced the cost of goods, but also increased the percentage of local content. Due to this, the percentage of local content has increased. Among each segment of products, we own more than 80%. Also, our cooperation with local manufacturers affect the percentage of Kazakh content. The main objective of the production was to substitute imported products. The introduction of analogues of domestic products at the local market with a good quality as their overseas counterparts have became the top priority of plant developers. There are international standards. For pharmaceutical companies, there is a standard GMP. For the food industry, there is a standard HACCP, and in accordance with those world standards, the quality of products should be kept within a year at the end of their shelf life. We meet all existing international standards.
Мы соответствуем всем существующим на сегодняшний момент мировым стандартам.
Мы обеспечиваем поточность всех процессов, они у нас не пересекаются. Мы разделили все участки и складские зоны.
We provide smooth operation of all the processes, and they don't cross each other. We divide all areas and storage areas, and this ensures us that there is no risk of contamination, which is the main risk for companies of a similar level. It was important for us to create modern production. Those rules and the decision that we used are not ours. We used the world experience.
Те правила, которые и те решения, которые мы использовали, они, конечно, не являются нашими. Это использование мирового опыта.
Scientific and research laboratory not only checks the quality of its products, but also constantly develops unique formulations of drugs that help fight new infections and bacteria.
Медицина не стоит на месте. И вот, как вы уже знаете, сейчас очень много всяких инфекций возникающих. Да? Вот недавно мы слышали, вроде бы казалось, недавно время прошло, и птичьи...
Medicine doesn't stand still. Now a lot of emerging infections such as avian influenza, swine flu and Ebola are shaking the entire planet. We want to be ready for it. In case of emergency, our disinfectants should act well on these microorganisms. And for that, we are always looking for new and unique components of our disinfectants.
Ищем новые, уникальные какие-то, так сказать, компоненты для наших дезинфицирующих средств.
After modernization, production strength of the plant allowed to aspire for neighboring markets. Production plant started to conquer Russian market in 2014. Before products entered Russian market, we pre-tested our disinfection products at the medical facilities of the Russian Federation, where we opened our branches. In different regions of Russia, 15 representative offices were opened and sold more than 300 tons of their products. In the near future, products of the Kazakhstani plant are going to supply the markets of Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan and Belarus with disinfectant products.